Hi, today we'll be going over how to simplify rational expressions. So let's get started. The first one is x plus 7 over 5x plus 3x minus 4 over 5x. So since they're all divided by 5x, what we can do is just focus on the top. So since it has addition in the middle, we can just combine all this together. So rewrite it as x plus 7 plus 3x minus 4 over 5x. Equals, and then we combine the like terms, so 3x plus 1x is 4x, and then we combine the 7 and minus 4, which is plus 3. It's plus 3 because of the sign. So, and then 5x over 5x, so that's the answer for that one. Easy. This one is 6 over x plus 5 minus 3 over x minus 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this because we have to multiply both sides by the opposite. So 6 minus 3, x minus 1 is plus 5. And then we multiply this by the opposite. So the opposite of this is this, right? So x plus 5, x plus 5. And then the opposite of this is x minus 1. So x minus 1, x minus 1. And then we do a little bit of distributive property. So we do this, and then on this side, distributive property, this side. So that would give us 6 times 1x is 6x, and then 6 times minus 1 is minus 6. And then on this side, it's minus 3x, and then minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3 times 5 is minus 15 over just this x minus 1, x plus 5. X plus 5. And then we combine like terms just like we did up this problem. Combine the x's, so 6x minus 3x is 3x. And then minus 6 minus 15, you add those because the signs are the same. So that would be minus 21 over just these two, x minus 1, x plus 5. Now we're not done here. We have to simplify. So what times what gives us minus 21? So if we simplify, it would be 3x because 3, and then minus 7 because 3 minus 7 is minus 21 over just these two, and that would be the answer. So that here is our answer. Number 3, x plus 5 over 6x plus 7x minus 3 over 6x. Just like the first problem, we combine these, so x plus 5 plus 7x minus 3 over 6x equals, combine like terms, x's, 7x plus 1x, ax, 5 minus 3 is plus 2 because of the sign, over 6x. That is your answer right there. This one we factor. Anytime you see x squared, you factor. So what times what gives us minus 16? X plus 4 and x minus 4. And the bottom you don't factor because it's already factored, so x minus 4. And then you have to see what 2 cancels out on the bottom and the top. You can never cancel out 2 on the top or 2 on the bottom. It's always 1 on the bottom and 1 on the top. So on here, you can cancel x minus 4, x plus 4. So the answer is x plus 4. This one, same thing, but we cancel both of them out. So, we factor, not cancel, we factor both of them out. So x plus 3, x minus 3, because that gives us minus 9, over x minus 2, x plus 3, because minus 2 plus 3 is minus 6, and minus 2 plus 3 is 1, equals, and then we cancel out the top and bottom, so this one goes, so it leaves us with x minus 3 over x minus 2, and that is your answer. Thank you. Bye. Hope you understand it.